guys, good evening. I thought I'd pick up the camera and finally film an updated evening reset routine for you guys, because I feel like it's been an absolute minute since I filmed one of these videos, and I feel like a lot has changed in our evening routines in the past few months. As you guys know, me and Mitchell have now joined a gym together, so I feel like as of, like I say, the past few months, our routine in the evenings are a lot more structured nowadays. We have a lot more organisation, a lot more productivity, and yeah, I really enjoy our evenings. So I thought I'd share and show you how we wind down, reset, and have a nice, productive, and just lovely evening. So as you can probably tell, I'm in my gym wear because I have just been to the gym, so I'll include the footage of that. Didn't film too much in there today just because it actually got so busy. So we tend to normally go to the gym for about 4 o'clock, I'm going to say. Mitchell tends to get back from work at about 3:30, which obviously is a lovely time, but he does start at 7 o'clock, so he leaves the house at like 6ish, and then I always get up around about 15 minutes after him in the morning, so I'm up for 6:45 to start my day for 7 o'clock, and that just works best for us. Like, earlier start, earlier finish, get to the gym early, beat the crazy rush of like 5 to 6 o'clock when everyone's obviously finishing their 9 till 5s. It just means as well we're back for around about 5:45, 6 o'clock, and then we have like the rest of the evening, which we still have a nice amount of time to, like I say, have dinner, clean around the house and reset, and then also some time to either like do some reading or have a bath, some self-care, or watch a series together. So it's so nice. But anyway, I'm gonna get a scooter on now and get started on dinner, because one thing about us after the gym, we are hungry people. Tonight for dinner, we actually have Hellofresh, which I'm so excited about because it just makes life so simple, so easy. And I've said this to you guys before, and this is one reason I love Hellofresh so much. I hate thinking of what I'm cooking, hate having to think, what am I doing for dinner tonight, what do I fancy? Whereas I feel like when you've got a Hellofresh subscription, you can pick your dinners each week, you've got an assortment, so then you can literally choose what you fancy, haven't got to think about anything because you get your meal card, you get the instructions, and it's just so straightforward. And I also love the fact as well that there's so many different options. So if you're in a calorie deficit, you can pick meals that are suited to that. You can pick speedy meals, you can pick meals for date night. I just love that there's so many options, and obviously because we are going to the gym, we do tend to pick more meals that are catered to, you know, our calories and our macros. So tonight we've actually got something quite wholesome, because I'm feeling so wholesome at the moment. I think with autumn in the shops at the moment, it's making me crave like gravy dinners. I noticed on the menu this week they have honey mustard sausages, red onion gravy, sweet potato mash, and tender stem broccoli. How good does that look? It's a really quick one as well, 35 to 40 minutes, but I mean, I'm going to do the sausages in the air fryer, so I think it'll be quicker than that. Also, the calories on it, 645 calories per serving, absolutely unreal. I'm going to crack on because I am so hungry. By the way, I do have a discount code for HelloFresh if you would like to try. It's really flexy as well, by the way. Just wanted to throw that in there. As you guys know, me and Mitchell love holidays. We have quite a few social plans sometimes, so if you do subscribe to HelloFresh and for whatever reason you need to pause your subscription, you can do that. It's really flexible. We often do that if like one week Mitchell's out of his mates 2 or 3 times a week, or we're here, there and everywhere, or we're on holiday. So I just wanted to throw that in there. Like, if you do subscribe and sign up, you don't have to have it every single week, and that is one of the amazing things about it as well. But yeah, anyway, I've got you a discount code, so it's going to be LauraHF50. I'll pop it on screen and in the description box, and it's going to get you 50% off your first box, so basically half price your first box, and then 20% off your next 4 boxes. And also, favourite thing ever, free desserts for life. Let me just show you the desserts. I see these in the supermarket all the time, and they're quite spenny, so the fact that you can get free desserts for life with your HelloFresh order, I think is unreal. Now, personally, me and Mitchell do save these for the weekend when we're having a treat evening. But yeah, there's a few to choose from. We've gone for these salted caramel cheesecakes this week. Personal favourite of Mitchell's. Yeah, just wanted to share that with you. But anyway, I'm going to stop rambling, guys, and let's cook dinner together.
Something's in the air, I can feel it everywhere. Every color seems to bloom, and there's light in every room. Now that you're looking up, I can see it in your
I wake up from the sunshine on my face, So dehydrated, don't know what to say. Who's sleeping by my side? What did I do last night? Can someone make this headache go away? Yesterday was supposed to be quiet. Being to myself and sit in silence. Until I got a call, my friend showed up at my door. They wanted me to go out for a while.
Okay guys, dinner done, kitchen restored. How good of a feeling is it once dinner's done, your kitchen is back, looking clean, tidy, and fresh and ready for the morning. It was so funny because I actually filmed a reset the other day and it was just a realistic reset. Like sometimes, you know, we are all guilty of just having one of them evenings where we're exhausted, we're tired, we just can't bother to tidy up the kitchen, or you know, might have done just half your jobs and not left it in the best state ever. And I was just having one of them days, so didn't leave the kitchen in the best state and all tidy, and went bed and then came down and had to attend to it in the morning. And that's not how I like to leave it. I do like to leave it like this, but I just thought, you know what, I'm just going to show some realism and just show that that's sometimes just how it is. I mean, very rare nowadays because we do always make an effort of tidying before we go to bed. But Mitchell wasn't here, and because he wasn't here, I felt like I could get away with it, so I did. But yeah, anyway, that is one of my non-negotiables, making sure the kitchen is all cleaned down before I go to bed. But like I say, we're all human, and some weeks or days we do just have them times where we don't do it. Anyway, just wanted to quickly show you something. I need to sort this area, guys. I'm not like loving this area. I'm kind of thinking, was this the right choice with this? I just don't know if I like it. I'm gonna be real, don't tell Mitchell, he'll go absolutely mad. Yeah, I don't know if it's just because I need to sort out all the decor on here. Like I'm not, obviously this isn't like finished, if that makes sense. Like I've not sorted the decor out, so I think that's probably why. I feel like once I get the styling right over here, maybe I'll love it more. But yeah, I don't know, I think because I can kind of tell that they don't match that, it kind of like throws me off a bit. I don't know if I like the wood on these, I'm not sure. Or like I say, maybe it is because the styling isn't like there. So yeah, give me some advice, give me some help, give me some recommendations of what I can do to style this coffee area. I think we are getting a new coffee machine. I have been missing my bean coffee machine so much, but like I say, it's just too big for over here. So I've measured up, and the Nespresso like Critista, I don't know if it's called Critista actually, but it's the one that like Molly May's got. Maybe not her version because I think that's quite expensive. I think there might be one down, the Touch one, or maybe I might get her version, I don't know, I'll have a look what the price is. That seems to be the best one and kind of like fits the aesthetic and also fits my size, so I might get that, which will obviously then be a bit bigger. And to be fair, I think that might help styling here a bit more. I think another thing I might order tonight, just some lights here, because I think that will make the area look so much better as well. Maybe even something behind, like what do you guys think? I don't know if you could tile the behind bit or what. I don't know, I just feel like something's missing. So tell me what's missing. I'll show you my like decor pieces that I could potentially use when we restyle. I got this bowl the other day and I thought it was quite cute to put like pods in, but like I say, when my machine comes it's going to be bigger, so I could then maybe just have that here and then maybe do syrups up here. I don't know, but yeah, let me know your thoughts. Obviously I love my syrup jars. I think they need to be full though, because it's kind of bugging me that they're not. I got this book ages ago, which is always like a little cute copy book to have over here. This little brown thing, I don't know where this was from. I feel like it was just like a random home shop online. My jelly cats, I don't know if I love having my jelly cats out though. I don't know if that's like, do you know what I mean, taken away from the vibe. But I love my jelly cats. So I don't know, let me know what we're doing with the jelly cats. This, I've had this since maybe like 2 years, and I just feel like it's battered now. It's actually such a nice book, but yeah, I just think it's seen better days, so that's why I hide it like that. So yeah, we've got this little plant, a reed diffuser. Oh my god, guys, stars of the shows. Stars of the shows. I literally just got these today, so I just moved them there. They're not going to stay there until I do my autumn setup, and then I might have them out on show. But if you're looking for the most gorgeous aesthetic iced coffee glasses, autumn edition with the little pumpkins on, run to John Lewis. Now admittedly, a little bit spenny, £6.50 each. I know Home Bargains, no not Home Bargains, B&M do a dupe, which are £3. I do personally feel that these are slightly nicer than the B&M ones. I think they look a little bit more expensive. Let me just show you in a better light. Let me go over here because I feel like the lighting's not that great. Can you see the like a frosted glass? How nice are they? And they've got like painted pumpkins on. So yeah, I do think they're slightly better quality, and I like the like I say, the texture detail on the glass. But the B&M ones are good for my girlies that don't want to spend £6.50 on a glass. So I appreciate it's spenny. Like, you could get 2 from B&M for the same price. So the B&M's a good dupe. But yeah, I just thought I'm going to invest. I do love these ones, and I know that I'll get plenty of use out of them. So I'm so happy with them. Now I need to get some straws. I can't find pumpkin straws anywhere. So we're actually going to attempt to make some tomorrow. Do a little DIY. Mitchell actually had that idea, which I thought was brilliant. He was like, why don't you go and get some little pumpkin, like, decorations, which you can get from Hobbycraft. Get some straws, super glue them on. You can make your own pumpkin straws. So that's what I'm going to do. And yeah, top shelf. What are we doing on the top shelf? Like, that's just so random. So help me out, guys. Give me some styling inspo. Send me some links. Tell me some websites. And yeah. But I just thought I'd just give you a little update with that. Anyway, I haven't showered from the gym yet, which I know is a bit disgusting. But like I said, we like to just get back from the gym, eat dinner, chill on the sofa for half an hour, 40 minutes. I kind of just watched the end of what is it, The Summer I Turned Pretty. I was like halfway. Is that what it is? I'm a newbie, guys. Like, I admit, like, I haven't watched it. I've just seen everyone go crazy for season 3, so I thought I'd jump on it, and I'm loving it. I'm now on season 2. I was halfway through an episode, so I just watched the end of that, and I thought, right, get up, clean down. I'm now gonna have a shower. Do just a quick self-care, like body moisturizer, take makeup off, do my skincare, and fresh PJs and bed. Well, not bed. I think I'm gonna maybe do some reading tonight. I feel like I've not done any reading in ages. But yeah, let's go. Okay guys, I'm out the shower now, freshly moisturised, fresh pyjamas. Oh, I'm gonna spray a bit of my soap. Oh god, there's the eye cream gone. I always like to put my pyjamas on and then spray a bit of salt. Just, oh, so good. I'm just gonna quickly cleanse my face, so very quickly, because I'm flashing red, which is so annoying. I use the Beauty of Jossian Ginseng Cleansing Oil. I do normally use the LMS, but I'm run out, so I need to order the cleansing balm, because that is my holy grail. But this is actually really good. It's lasted a while, really inexpensive. I really like a cleansing oil, so I go in with that first of all. Then we'll go in with the Fenty Skin Fat Water Pore Refining Toning Serum. I'm actually really liking this. I feel like it makes my skin look nice and glowy, and definitely helps my pores, I think. Then next step is I going with my Foreo and a serum of choice. Serums, my favourite ones are Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair. Also this Caudalie one, which again I ran out of, so I'm going to have to purchase a new one of them. I think this is like my 4th bottle now. I love this so much. And I've also started introducing a vitamin C. I've been using the Medic 8. Not too sure if I see a difference yet. I feel like it's too early to say. But it's a really nice consistency, and yeah. That's all we have to say. And then the last step I will do is I go in with a moisturiser, and it's always the Pro Collagen Marine Cream LMS. Favourite. And I also do really like the pink one, which is like an overnight sleeping mask. I'm going to repurchase that because, again, I ran out. I feel like I need a really big skincare top up at the moment. Those are my favourite things. Eye creams, because I do use an eye cream as okay, looks like we're switching over to my phone. Because, yeah, that was really annoying. Abruptly got ended on there, and I haven't even charged my other battery up. So yeah, on my iPhone, sorry if the quality is not as good. Eye creams, I use the Beauty of Jossian Ginseng and Retinol. I really like this one, and again, it's quite inexpensive. And then to go alongside that, because it is a retinol, and you have to be careful with like the retinol strength, and sometimes it can just dry your under eye area out. So I saw someone say to use this repair cream from CeraVe with it, and it's really moisturising, really good, and I feel like they're both combined. Dream team. Oh, another thing I need to talk to you about, because I've been using these at the moment, these pads. These are so good. They're from a brand called Anua. I think it's like a Korean skincare brand. Again, they do the one look fantastic, as is everything I've shown you. And yeah, these are so nice. You get 100 pads. You do get like a little pair of tweezers to take them out as well, which is really cute. They're just so... They just make your skin feel so good and just glowy, and they're just full of like hyaluronic acid, which is always nice for your skin. So yeah, anyway, let's begin the routine. routine.